Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to add ChatGPT to Excel. Now this works with most of the Excel versions and here's how you add it. So you must open your Excel. Once you're here, click Insert and then find Get Add-ins. Click on that and then make sure that it's turned on Store and then just type in ChatGPT. Click on search and then you're going to see that it's here. Now you can add the first or the second one, but be aware that this is not the original OpenAI ChatGPT. This is an add-on that somebody creates that can help you do your Excel tasks. If you want to add it, click on it, click add, continue, and it will be added. And then if you want to learn how to use it, you can go to this website or see the description what it can do for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.